Hi guys, and in today's video, we are going to be doing the whale strat. Enjoy the video. We are the Rood Lawnmowers. We are up against Monkey and the Skilled Gibbons. We draw these. I don't need to care about the second turn, which is awesome. We got Peg. We got Double Ant. We end turn. He doesn't let me get snail value, of course. Okay. We combine the pigs, we got a camel. We combine the ants, we got a flamingo. That's a pretty good start. We got another flamingo. We got an early dolphin. We still win. Let's go. 6-9 ant. We got a flamingo. Then we sell the mosquito. And then we got a peacock. Wow, that rhymed. What? We still win here? Because of the big peacock? How? Let's go. We buy the camo. We combine. We got a deer. This seems decent. 3 squad. I think we win this round because 3 squad. He did get a lobster though. Roll, 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 roll. That's all I did. This turn. Yeah, buffalo. Buffalo, oh no. We lose here. Bad break points. We sell the ant. We buy a deer. We got the whale. It's going the buy sell route for puppy pack. We're gonna lose here maybe. We still win. What? Oh, wow. This is going to be an insane turn 9. We lose this round though, I think. Yeah, we definitely lose this round. Like, the pie is just too good. Cat. Gorilla. Snake. This is what I call the gorilla whale strat, baby. Evie. Let's see it. Oh my god. Coconut armor. Oh my god. You're absolutely wrecked. We got a tiger. Tiger snake is a good combo. Okay. And this is the final turn. We swallowed the gorilla and then it comes back as a bigger gorilla. And look at these snipes, dude. We win these. That's the end of the video. Bye!